Hi, and welcome to vandavideo.com. So here is part 2 of Fly By Night, and this is the solo, and it goes something along these lines. Something like that anyway. So it starts off with so I'm going to start with a D, open D. So you're going to be playing this on the 7th and 9th frets. So start with open D, hammer on to 7th and 9th on the 4th, and then 3rd strings. Then full step bend to come up to the F sharp here. And that's what the rundown is. Next part, you do the same hammers. So come down out to the A here. So A, then you can do a pull off from the B to the F sharp, and back to pull off from the B again. Can't remember it when I'm doing it slowly. So you play like that, and you finish back down here on the D. Next bit here, if you can, you need to hit pinch harmonics. I am really rubbish at pinch harmonics, so I don't even attempt them. But you got so you bar this 7th fret, but you're actually playing 4th and 3rd strings. So it's just a series of hammers from the 7th to 9th. And then pull-offs coming backwards. And then that should be a pitch harmonic, if you can do it. But I can't hit pitch harmonics like that. Finish back down the D. So that's full step bend from the A to the B. You can either do that, pull off there, or the straightforward run down there, or you can do it. Put a little hammer in there, or you can do put a little extra pull off in there. Lots of ways you can do it, but you finish down here in the D. And the end run here is It's again full step bend from the E to the F sharp. And that's the rundown at the end. So it's pull off from the D to the B, fall from the E to the D via the B, via the D. Then you got the same thing down here, but here you're the pull off is you're gonna have the strike from the D to the B, and the pull off to the A. Then pull off from the B to the A down to the F sharp, and the same thing from the A down to the E, and then from here you go down from the F sharp and slide down to the D, then from the E there's another pull off down here, down to the B, and then hit these strings here to hit this D here, D chord, just bar across the 7th fret. So you got and just practice that. That's the way I play it anyway. There might be an extra 1 or 2 in there as well, but that's the way I would play it. And you put the whole lot together and you get and that's the end of the solo. 2 fly per night.